Garage, I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove old weather stripping from your vehicle. Very simple, so let's get started. To complete this, the only thing you're going to need is a heat gun and a razor blade. You can pick these up. This particular one I think I picked up at Harbor Freight for like around 20 bucks. I'm not sure offhand because it was a while back, but you can get these fairly inexpensive. Now the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to heat up this whole strip right here. That way it'll get the adhesive underneath nice and soft, and so that way it'll release. If you don't do that, you try to peel that off, you're going to wind up ripping it all to pieces. You're going to be trying to scratch that off. You're going to wind up just causing a big mess. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the heat gun, put it on the high heat, and we're just going to go up and down and just really get that adhesive underneath nice and soft, so that way that'll pull right off. So I'm going to go ahead and heat up this whole strip, and we'll be right back. Okay, let's start lifting that up, and you can see there the adhesive is releasing very, very easy since we went ahead and softened that. Just gently pull it, you don't want to overdo it. And what you may want to do is, as you go along, go ahead and then heat it up in sections. I went ahead and heated up the whole thing just to get it all warm, but as we move along, I'm going to be just doing maybe about a 12-inch section at a time, and then as it starts to go along, we'll heat it up more and just keep pulling that off. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to heat up this next area here real good, get it nice and warm, so we can continue on. You don't want to keep the heat on the stripping in one area too long, because it'll start to bubble it up. So you just want to keep it moving, but you do want to get that nice and hot. That should be good. There we go. Now you'll see right there, it started to break away there as I was peeling it. That's where the razor blade comes in handy, because then we can go ahead and just scrape that off so it doesn't spread and turn into a big mess. Because if you clean that up now, then you can still continue to peel it, because it won't separate from the actual stripping itself. So I'm going to go ahead and scrape that off. You want to be very careful that you don't damage the paint or the clear coat when using the blade. On this particular vehicle, I'm actually going to be repainting it anyway, so I don't really care. But if you're doing it on a car that you do care, you just got to be careful. There we go. All that's been cleaned, and the problem was it looked like at some point there was additional adhesive caked in there, so it kind of stuck to that. So we cleared that out. So now we're back in business with this here. Okay, well that's it. That came off actually very simple. What you could do at this point, you could then go over it, clean it off real good. There's might be a little bit of adhesive left behind. Just maybe get a cleaner to clean that off. As far as this junk goes, this is gone. So you want to clean that good before you apply your new weather stripping. As I mentioned before, with this particular vehicle here, this is actually a Lamborghini Countach replica that I've been working on with a restoration project here on my channel for a couple years. So this was part of that. If you're into that and you want to check out some of those videos, I'll have a link here shown above. As far as this goes with removing of this, that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope this video helped you out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support, so please like this video and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.